Okay guys, gagawa tayo ngayon ng sweet potato loaf bread. So, ito ang ating bread flour guys. And then, gagamitan natin siya ng dark rye flour. So, titignan natin guys ha, kung ano yung magiging outcome. Pero, ginagamit ko po ito guys sa normal bread. But this time, lalagyan ko siya ng sweet potato. Yung sweet potato which is purple. So, ayan. Itong flour natin guys is 1 cup and 1/4. So, dadagdagan lang natin ng magiging 1/2 siya. So, ayan, magiging 1.5. Yan, dagdagan pa natin ng kaunti. Mostly, ang nilalagay ko is 1/2 cup ng itong dark rye flour or whole grain. So, this time, medyo marami-rami. So, ilalagay natin dito sa ating mixing bowl. So, maglalagay tayo guys ng 15 grams ng butter. Ay, nalaglag. Butter. So, ito guys, meron tayong 3/4 na teaspoon ng yeast. Then, maglalagay tayo ng sugar. So, ito guys, maglalagay tayo ng 100 ml. Ay, ulit. So, ito guys, maglalagay tayo ng 100 ml na milk. If not enough, then let's just add a little bit because I don't want the flour is too soft. Now guys, so ilalagay na natin siya sa ating machine. So, babalikan lang natin yan for after how many minutes? At least 6 minutes. So, I add another how many ml? At least 10 ml of milk, guys. So, that's enough. So, I will cover this and come back. So, I am boiling the water. Supposed to be, this one, it should be steamed potato. But I'm a little bit lazy. So, I used to boil this. Yeah, until it will become soft. And then, just peel the skin. And I'm going to use the strainer to grate the sweet potato. Okay, see you later. So guys, this is our sweet potato. It's really hot. So I will cut into half. Yeah, peel off the skin. Wait. So I'm going to add a condensed milk. So it's like ubi halaya. Yeah, right. So we add condensed milk. It's not too much, guys. It's it's lang butter while it's hot, so that what's this butter, diba guys, until they will until mag-incorporate doon together. Is it correct? Incorporate, diba guys? So that so next guys, what I'm going to do is put here in the strainer, and I'm going to slowly like grate or whatever. I don't know how you call it. So crushed, straining. Yeah. So just simple. Is it very So the outcome is better. So see you later, guys. You see. So hi guys, I am making a kamote halaya. So I discovered using this strainer to make the sweet potato more smoother. I add some butter and condensed milk. So you see, yeah, yes. Lalagay ko to sa guys. So look guys, you see. The sweet potato is like maugat siya. But when you use this strainer, it's very smooth. You see? This is my new technique. Proper technique, charot. Kunti lang naman yung lalagay ko sa loaf bread. So, enough na to. It's kind of wasted, right? So, let's try to eat, guys. It's like ube halaya. You see? Akala mo konti lang, no? Marami yan. Diba? Enough na to para sa loaf bread natin. It's very smooth. So, ito na guys. So, ginamitan natin itong spatula. So, let's put this aside and for later if the dough is ready. So, guys, ito na yung ating dough. Ayan, nag-double in size na siya. It's more than double in size. So, asan na yung ating... So, ang gagawin natin guys is i-flatten natin to. Yes. Wait lang ha. So, ipantay lang natin to. And then, i-add natin tong sweet potato. I'll spread my wings and I learn how to fly till the day until I touch the sky. Make a wish, take a chance. So, ayun guys, spread lang natin. So, hindi naman to ano eh, diba? Diba? Para-paraan lang yan. So, ayan. It looks yummy. So, ang next natin gagawin ay i-fold natin to guys into 3 folds. So, hindi na kasi ako nagdagdag ng flour dun para hindi masyadong dumikit yung ating dough sa ating table. Itong patong lang natin dun, no? Dapat talaga may flour siya. Kaya lang, ayoko na dagdagan pa. Charot. So, ayun lang guys, no? So, i-close natin siya. Mag-add kaya ako ng flour or hindi na. Mag-add tayo ng flour guys. So, ayun guys, to prevent yung stickiness niya, maglagay lang tayo ng kaunti dito. Ay! Don't put too much. Oops. Kasi ipa-flatten pa ulit natin to, diba? So, i-spread lang natin yan. O, diba? Ay, nag-spread man. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay i-flatten ulit natin to. Yeah. O, diba? So, kahit hindi naman siya pantay guys, no? Do not worry. This is for personal consumption. Remember. So, hahabaan ko lang kasi yan natin to. So, ayan. O, diba? And then, ang gagawin natin next is i-cut natin siya into 3. So, I'm using this pink knife. So, ayan. O, diba? So, ayan guys. Next is, o, diba? Nakita nyo guys, o, layer siya. Mayroong ano. So, ang gagawin natin next is, para natin siyang i-braided. Braid. So, like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Diba? I'm playing. Charot. So, ayan guys, no? So, ayan. So, dapat dito yung dulo natin. I-braid na rin natin to. I-cut ko na lang guys yung dulo. And then, we're going to, ano na. So, ayan. So, ayan na siya guys, no? it looks like this, and we're going to do is just put like this. I cut, and do like this, and then ilalagay natin siya dito guys sa ating lanera. Ayan, hindi na ako maglalagay ng ano guys, ng yung papel, ang tawag dun, yung baking paper. So, ang gagawin natin guys is ipapasok natin dito. So, medyo i-adjust ko guys para magkasya. And then, ipapa-double in size lang natin to, no? So, ayan, spread lang natin. So, ayan na siya. And then, we are going to cover it first until na mag-double in size. So, this is it. Bye! See you later! So, ito na yung ating bread guys. It's ready to bake na siya doon sa ating oven. Cute, diba? Oh. So, ayan. I-bake natin siya ng 170. So, ayan. In 15 minutes. So, ito na siya, guys. So, diba? Sweet potato. So, let's cut. So, this is a sweet potato. Ayan na, guys. Yung maraming sweet potato. Sarap ba?